Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a shipping weight to your products on Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on my admin dashboard of my Shopify store, and what I'm going to be doing from here is going over into my products section. Now, I currently have an empty section, so we're going to go ahead and click add a product just to add a test product. Like so. You can select the category which you want. It automatically goes to hairpins, claws, and clips. I'm just going to keep it like that. It has 4 meta fields, so it'll do, I guess. Then we're going to go ahead and add some pricing. I'm just going to add 21 here, and in inventory you have track quantity. You can enable that if you want. Continue selling when out of stock. Set everything up for your product, and then when we get to the shipping section, you have to check off this is a physical product, and then you'll have a weight option right over here. You can select the unit which you want. You can use pounds, ounces, kilograms, and grams. I'll stick to kilograms, and here you can use a weight. I'll just add 10 kilograms. You can also add other customs information such as the country or region of origin, as well as the HS code if you want, but you don't need to do that. Now, once you've set your weight up, you can click save, and then that product is going to be saved in your library. Now, as you can see, it is in my product list, but if you want to add a weight to a product that already exists, you can go ahead and click on that product, and it'll open up your editing tab as it did previously for the product addition. As you can see in inventory, you can edit the available amount. So I'll just add 5, for example, click save, and you can also add the SKUs or stock keeping units, the barcode if you want. You can track the quantity again, but under that we have shipping again. Here you can modify the weight, so let's change it to 7. It's going to change it to 7 kilograms. Once that's done, go to the top, click save, and once that's done, as you can see, product is saved. Go back, and now the product has 5 in stock, and if we enter it again, it's going to have a weight of 7, just like this. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.